In this sketch, we need to rotate the base section. But the rotate tool doesn't work well in CATIA Sketch. Let's see the smarter way to do it. Let's start by sketching the base section step by step. Keep the shape simple for now. We'll focus on the main geometry first. Add the key lines and a few constraints to get a clean base profile. Once the basic shape looks right, we'll rotate it to match the final orientation. If you just want to see the smarter rotation trick, skip ahead, but it's better to build the sketch with me, so you'll see why this step really matters. Alright, the base section is ready. Let's try rotating it and see what happens. As you can see, the rotated geometry turns white. That means no constraints and no link to the base. So if we change the base dimensions, the rotated part won't update at all. So, what's the smart way to fix this? Instead of rotating, we'll use multiple mirrors. We use the mirror tool to reflect the base section across an axis and repeat it a few times until the full sketch is complete. This way the result is green, iso-constrained, linked to the base, and updates automatically when the base changes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart CATIA tips.